very good morning to you all. I'd like to add my welcome to have your captain earlier on. My name's John, I'm your customer service manager on this flight to London Heathrow. Once again, thank you for boarding the aircraft so quickly. 1 hour and a half from now sees us arriving into London Heathrow airspace, approximately 20 minutes to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Pleased to know that's 20 minutes earlier than schedule. Those of you who do this route regularly will know it's not uncommon to circle due to capacity constraints at Heathrow for 5 or 10 minutes, but even with that consideration, we should have you on schedule, if not a little bit before. We're going to load the screens now, as we've got an accurate time of arrival for us, and our flight crew said they're going to talk to you just before we land to give you an update on our progress. It's a pleasure to have you on board today to welcome back our executive club members and onboard frequent flyers. It's a team of 3 of us looking after you on this Airbus A319 type aircraft. With me, we have Sarah and Sophie. We do recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the duration of today's flight. It is a safety regulation of the cabin crew to visually check your seatbelts in times of turbulence. So if you do wish to sleep on this service, please have that seatbelt visible to the cabin crew to avoid being disturbed. So very shortly, the cabin crew are going to pass through the cabin with a complimentary snack service and a bar service too. If you're seated in our Club World, our business class section at the front, we have a brunch for you this morning. Shortly after these services, we do open our duty-free and tax-free goods, all of which you'll find in the High Life Shop magazine. That's in the seat pocket in front of you. If there's anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable this morning, please let us know as we come through the cabin shortly. You can also press the call bell, that's just above your head today. We're more than happy to help you. Now though, please sit back, relax, and do enjoy the British Airways service this morning. Thank you for listening.